Alright. So, let me give you a life hack na not just for musicians, no? Siguro para sa lahat din ng tao, especially those who like to listen, no? Sa mga tao na mahilig makinig ng music or makinig ng mga speeches, how you can use your ears to your advantage, okay? So, I don't know kung direct study ba siya or what, pero we have two ears, diba? But each ear actually has a different purpose when it comes to listening. So meron tayong tinatawag na musical ear and parang I don't know what to call the other one. Maybe the analytical ear or whatever. So this hack could be helpful for you, especially kung musician ka or kahit hindi, no? Mahilig ka nga makinig ng music. So, yung musical ear natin, no? I'm not sure kung nagbabago ba to kung left-handed or right-handed ka. It's usually on your left hand. Left ear. Okay. So, when you try to listen to something musical, so kung sounds, if you try to listen for sounds, if you're trying to listen for notes, you try and focus your listening with your left ear. Kasi siya nga yung musical ear. Mas magaling siya mag-process ng tones, ng sounds, intonation. That's why you'll see a lot of people, diba? If they want to listen to music, they use their left ear. Now, if you want to listen to words or speeches, or if you're listening to someone na nagsasalita at nahihirapan kayong intindihin yung sinasabi niya, use your right ear. Okay? So, your right ear is in charge of words, no? Of articulation ng pananalita, of language, of understanding or deciphering words or terms. So, kung depende sa pinakikinggan nyo, lean in with your left ear for music and lean in with your right ear for words. No? So, makakatulong siya to help you understand what you're trying to listen to. No? So, yun lang. Sana nakatulong to. And if you have other questions, comment down below. Try na sagutin yan. And good luck sa inyo.